Hey everybody, we're just going for a ride now. See, there's a sign there that says tree work ahead. Cutting along our line here. This is our pasture. And let's see what they got done so far.
Breathe in the air, the light that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far. Created a space, in my head it was empty, but I know that I want to be where you are. I was denied. I had spent those years, did not recognize the person that's inside. We have a purpose, but to take that leap, you must recognize the person that's inside. Believe me, I swear, the story's not over. As I fall, I will continue to get up. I cannot stop because it is over. Live in the moment, living in a quiet. To be everywhere, to be without a care. I was denied. I had spent those years, did not recognize the person that's inside. We have a purpose, but to take that leap, you must recognize the person that's inside. Inside.
Hello everybody. This is a short one. We're just getting back. We were on the property line. Somebody had dumped some stuff down there, and I'm going to have the police come up. Unfortunately for them, they left a payroll where they work in everything, a payroll receipt. So that's nice. Anyway, yeah, it's hot here. I've been working on her lawnmower most of the morning. It's running again. It's always something, eh? So anyway, somebody asked me about this wood stuff. So if you can get a view, it's kind of hard because the sun is up and out, but if you can grab somewhat of a view here today, and you'll see the pile has gone down considerably. It's melted, but you start to get a view, if you can even see how much it's really. We still have a lot to go, but a lot of it will just be thrown in a pile and covered, and I'll be using that first. It's all dried. So for everybody that was wondering, yeah. But today I had a lot of work going on, and it is stifling hot out today with the sun. And yeah, so that's what we're going. Of course, yeah, if you're looking, that's where the antennas are right there. Amazing I do as well as I do with those little antennas. I'm not saying anything. I'm very happy. Anyway, I have a theory. Well, it's not a theory to me. To me, it's a proven fact. But I think a lot of people would call it a theory on why I get so lucky and get all these contacts. And Cousin Glenn is another one at his location. And it's odd, isn't it, that we just seem to be able to talk to each other. I know people have said in the past, a couple, 3 years ago or so, oh, them guys are running something. Yeah. We're running something. Whatever we run seems to work. To me, location. And there's more to it than that, I think. But, so anyway, that's the wood pile. She's mowing. And what we do is she has to have it that way. She's stacking wood too, so all the perfect pieces get stacked first, and then anything with knots, and it just doesn't stack well. It just keeps getting moved into the back of the house where we have other room, the garage rather, and we'll burn all those little short pieces and things. Because remember, when you're taking say a 16-foot log or tree, and you start at the best end, the thickest end, and you're cutting that in a different whatever it is, when you get to the last piece, it's usually a short piece, and so that nothing gets thrown out. So the short pieces get thrown in, and they get counted in it, and they burn well. And they burn very hot, actually. So especially in the fall of the year, and we'll see how much we have left. But I have enough of those pieces to burn into November, I suspect. So that's what's going on. There's a little traffic. They're cutting down on my property underneath the power and the telephone lines now. I was down talking to them for a minute. And so it looks kind of ragged, but it's got to be done, and it's good that it's getting done. And they're chipping everything, so amazing. Okay, guys, New York 202 is on the side, and he's tired. Okay. CQDX, Northern New York 202 USA. We're trying. How about that Needle Bender 24?
Somebody called me there. Go ahead, sir.
Needle Bender 24. This is New York State, New York 202 USA.
I think it was a 202 New York State, was it?
Copy on that. New York 202, first personal Delta Romeo Echo Whiskey, northernmost part of New York by Canada. You're coming in good.
Thank you very much, Drew. Good to hear you coming in there, Drew. Sounding good on this side. Good to see a very open there with the propagation at last. Been missing all you guys over that side of the pond. So, hey, Drew, you take care over there. We'll not hold it here on the 38th. So, all the best to you and the family. Have a good weekend coming up, Drew. Needle Bender 24, Operator Francis, Northern Ireland. Take care, Drew. Check.
Thank you, my friend. It's always a pleasure. Appreciate the contact, and again, you're doing very well, and hope the bounce continues. I had it yesterday afternoon, 2 p.m. my time, Eastern Standard Time, was intense. So hope to catch you again. Coming in good, and thank you much. God bless you.
Thank you very much. Yeah, current time over here, it's just coming up to 10 to 2 here in the afternoon, Drew. So, hey, you enjoy the rest of the day. Have a good weekend coming up, and hey, let's hope we'll catch you later. All the best, Drew. Catch you soon.
Thank you, my friend. New York 202 is on the side. Well, there's a nice contact. Well, I wanted to say hello to everybody. Past day or two on the radio have been kind of blah, in my area or for me, but of course we had some contacts going. But again, it can't. when it was happening, it can't even be admitted that it's organized chaos. It is what it is. So, it's a good sign. It's linking up. I follow it, and been showing all the signs, and actually a little early. But when it is running, it's running. And here we are at the wood pile. Okay, it's cool here today. It's like 65, sun's up. Not bad. Some clouds, powder puffers around. John Deere's in the picture. So there's not much wood left to stack. But again, we're running out of room in the main area there. Inside is pretty much full. I've got stuff close to the back door. And we go around, and now we're like messing with all these weird... okay, this one's for people who like wood. No, this is for those people that showed some interest to me, or wanted, got talking about wood, firewood, and stuff like that. So I'm going to come over here, see if I can get over in this area here with the sun behind me a little better, and you can start to, you'll see the cats way over there, huh? So remember, there's 11 stacks that go in that line there. And then up top we have some more going the opposite direction. And that's up off the ground a little higher. And then we're digging through and getting down to the gnarly pieces. And we're going to burn them first, of course. And that'll be fantastic. Yesterday, the veterinarian, Kathy, was here. And the doctor came and checked the horses, and they got their shots, and Skittles needed a little medication, and but yeah, we're doing good, which I gave her today. So anyway, this is and as she always says to me, you got to get up top on the hill and look down if you want to get a view of how much wood is really in here. Once I get running everything, I'll take in where we burn the wood. It's just in the back door, right there. I mean, that's it. So I know this looks like a lot, but when I start stacking, and I'll be bringing this over in the bucket, that thing there, and to the back door, drive around the back, and we'll be using a lot of this first that you see right here. That's not stacked. And yeah, we're way ahead. Everybody, as they're walking by or talking to me, goes, no, you can't tell me you burned this in 1 year. And it's like, no, of course not. So goal has been to get a half a year ahead, and stay ahead. So that's what we're up to. Not a problem. And it's all hardwood season. I think we're pretty much done with the splitter. I got to move that over the other side, and yeah, and there we go. So we are. I'm never going to say that I'm ahead on anything in life, but at least we caught up here, and it's September. The skip is starting, and last year I spent so much valuable skip time. Yeah. Just a quick walk by. Two boys are up top, and Skittles is inside because she's supposed to sort of rest a little bit for the front hoofs. So she just had them trimmed, and yeah, so yeah, some traffic, huh? And you saw it, nobody drove on the road. So it's a very nice day, and we're going to get back to the wood pile. So I just wanted to send you a message there, and some goodwill, and hope that everybody's doing fine, enjoyed their weekend. We'll see how it's all going to go in the end this fall. And but again, my forecast is that I think we're going to see some good skip. We're just a little bit early, that's all. That's all. We're just pushing the limits to see how early we could talk, and it'll get better. So all of you that I did talk to, thanks much.